The Bloom collection features a unique swipe technology, but what is it and how do I use it? Today I'm going to be showing you how. This is a great question. The Bloom collection features a unique swipe technology. Not many people have heard of what this might mean, but it does mean using this unique swipe technology that you can set up your vibrator just the way you like it. It's also very simple and easy to use. Let me show you how. So, we need to start by turning on the vibrator. Push and hold for a few seconds. And the vibrations have started. As you can see, there is a beautiful floral pattern just here. What we're going to do, using your finger very gently, is slide over the top. And as you can see, the speed went down. If you swipe to the right, the speed will go up. There are 5 speeds and 5 patterns, so that's 5 speeds per pattern. So you can have lots of fun. Using this button here, you can also adjust the vibration pattern. To turn off the vibrator, push and hold down for a few seconds, and it's now off. Did you find this video helpful? Why not have a look at our other product question videos in this collection? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not write a comment below and we'll take a look for you.